Hello guys! Uwian na! My hair! Look what happened to my hair, guys! Flying! Ala! Ade lang ba? Nag-guys sila guys. Pipili na dito ilang bike dito. Sa kuan. Naglakaw ra mato sila ganina. Wala sa school lagi. Buktan.
We go to the library today, but it's for the library. Our buddies didn't come this week. This week.
Yun lang guys. Update namin.
Bye-bye you.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.
Bye-bye you for real now.
Thank you for
Bye-bye
watching.
you for real now.